Save up to 75% of drying time when you're building your models. Hi, I'm Chris, the modeller at ABR Modelworks. And today when I got out of bed, it's raining cats and dogs, which is a real problem for me because I am trying to finish off the videos and the instructions for our first 3 kits. And so to be sitting around waiting for things to dry is just some time I don't have. So even though I'm going to be spending a couple of hours putting together a drying box, that time will come back as I go over the next couple of days. So what I've got is a food dehumidifier. I've cut out a whole bunch of MDF panels and bits and pieces, and I'm going to turn this into a drying box, and I'm going to just quickly do this as a very short little video, lots of fast forwarding. But you'll get the idea of what I'm doing and you'll be able to do something equally as good for yourself. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the idea. I've taken the plastic shelves off the top of the dehumidifier. It's going to slide in the front so that the warmth can circulate and come up. There'll be a series of shelves that will slide in. These large openings will be covered with fly wire to let the air circulate, and we'll be able to put in the painter's drying rack for parts that we're working on, or complete sections of model buildings, and that whole process will speed things up quite a lot as far as drying is concerned. So at the end of the day, I know this will speed the process up. I have been using the drying rack already with just some painted parts, but this is going to give me a larger volume, and I can put more things in there and get more work done at the same time. So let's get started. So I'm marking where the spaces are going to go for the shelves, or the shelf supports. I want them about 4 inches apart. So I'm now going to glue the sides to the base. Okay, so you might be able to hear a bit of the wind noise outside. It's still going crazy. Now, I have made a small mistake, but I picked it up straight away as soon as I turned the camera off. I actually glued the base to the roof, and of course this has ventilation holes, so it needs to be that way up. So I had to quickly pull it out before the glue dried, but no harm, no foul. Now I'm going to put the base where it belongs. I'll start by putting a, you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm going to put a little bead of glue at about the height of the MDF, and then on the base itself, on the sides, I'll put the glue. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it has to go in on an angle, and by putting the glue at the back and the glue on the sides, I can get it in there without smearing too much glue where it shouldn't be. Okay, so in on an angle, get it really close to the back, and then drop it down, wipe away that bit of smear that's there, push it up against the back, and just for a little added strength, I'm going to put these 2 pieces, which are just... Now I know this is a little bit rough and ready, but after all, it's probably only going to be seen by a few of you guys in videos occasionally, and it just needs to serve a functional purpose. And drying the things I'm working on faster. And that's really all I'm interested in. Okay, so now with the hot glue gun, I'm going to glue some fly wire to the shelves. The fly wire I'm using is a fiberglass fly wire, because I'm going to be using this same system for drying 3D parts, and of course they're wet with water. Okay, so there we've got it done. We've got 4 shelves. So the shelves are removable, which allows us to put larger items in. Paint racks full of parts to dry. And we have our cover. That's it. Turn it on, let it run. So, about 3 hours worth of work to design and make, and something that's going to last me for years and save me a lot of time in the future. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Chris, the modeler at ABR Modelworks. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on these types of videos, and happy modelling. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.